Dear viewers, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are discussing 50 important multiple choice questions with answers of object oriented analysis and design. Please like the video and share with your friends on social media. Also subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Dash is the process that groups data and procedures into an entity called objects. Right answer option D. Object oriented system development. Question number 2. Dash technique analyze and converts business requirements into specification and finally into manual procedure. Right answer option D. Structured design. Question number 3. Dash identifies the same data structure and behavior and groups them into a class. Right answer option C. Classification. Question number 4. We classify different objects of the program with same properties into a class using dash. Right answer option A. Categorization. Question number 5. A dash is defined as a group of objects with the same structure and behavior. Right answer option C. Class. Question number 6. Messages are known as dash functions. Right answer option C. Non-specific. Question number 7. In dash phase, the design model is built based on the analysis model. Right answer option C. Object design. Question number 8. Dash patterns are constant and inactive. Right answer option D. Non-generative. Question number 9. The dash methodology includes the complete software development life cycle and tracks the stress between different phases. Right answer option A. Jacobson. Question number 10. Dash relationship is indicated by a dashed line beginning at the base use case and ending with an arrow pointing to the use case. Right answer option C. Extends. Question number 11. Dash deals with the static process view of a system from the perspective of a real or prototype cases. Right answer option B, object diagram. Question number 12. The state of an object need not be directly observable and is dash of the implementation. Right answer option C, independent. Question number 13. Dash is a creative activity to recognize and understand the problem, its related constraints, and the methods of overcoming those problems. Right answer option A, analysis. Question number 14. Dash denotes the aspirations of the users and the responsibility of the system to its users. Right answer option C, use cases. Question number 14. Dash emphasize the key concepts and helps to identify issues and flaws in the analysis and design. Right answer option C, documentation. Question number 16. The output of object analysis is a description of the dash and the user requirements. Right answer option A, problem. Question number 17. Each iteration in the process of identifying relevant classes identifies some classes that were dash. Right answer option D, unnoticed. Question number 18. Class responsibility collaboration CRC cards is an important tool used in the dash of object-oriented software. Right answer option B, designed. Question number 19. The idea of interface was introduced to solve the problem of dash. Right answer option D, dependency. Question number 20. Self delegation is a dash an object sends to itself. Right answer option C, message. Question number 21. Dash relationship hides the internal details of the superclass from the subclasses. Right answer option B, inheritance. Question number 22. Dash is said to be a valid fundamental truth that has no counterexamples or exception. Right answer option C, exome. Question number 23. The third phase of OOAD design deals with this. Right answer option A, designing view layer classes. Question number 24. Corollary 6 deals with dash. Right answer option B, design using inheritance. Question number 25. In object oriented design, it is important to describe the dash between the associated classes in an application. Right answer option A, protocol. Question number 26. Dash constants are true for the attached set of relationship and instances over a long period of time. Right answer option D, invariance. Question number 27. Dash are objects that basically act as containers of data. Right answer option B, value object. Question number 28. Dash is the layer of application functionality that encapsulates all the interaction within the database. Right answer option D, access layer. Question number 29. Dash is a special data processing system or part of a data processing system that helps in storage, manipulation, reporting, management and control of India. Right answer option D, database management system. Question number 30. In Dash, a single table is used to map multiple inheriting classes. Right answer option C, table multiple classes mapping. Question number 31. A prototype which provides only the model of the UI is a dash. Right answer option A, horizontal prototype. Question number 32. Dash interferes with the user's ability to use the conceptual model of how the application works. Right answer option D, modes. Question number 33. Dash states that there should be strong mapping between the user's view of doing things and UI classes. Right answer option C. Corollary 4. Question number 34. Dash testing is a process or a series of processes designed to ensure that the computer code does what it was designed to do and what it does not do anything unintended. Right answer option A. Software. Question number 35. Dash testing technique is used for testing software against its specifications with some knowledge of its internal working as well. Right answer option D. Grave box. Question number 36. Dash is a powerful macro substitutions and when improperly used can cause serious errors. Right answer option C. Inheritance. Question number 37. Identifying the use cases is one of the initial stage of. Right answer option C. Usability testing. Question number 38. The main concern of dash testing is how users interact with the system. Answer option A. Usability. Question number 39. Test goals and the dash must be decided before users satisfaction test is performed. Right answer option A. Audience. Question number 40. Giving extra time for the test plans will reduce dash. Right answer option C. Productivity. Question number 41. Identify the approach used in system development to build information with the help of structured and modular programming. Right answer option B. Traditional approach. Question number 42. The first step in system development is to understand the dash. Right answer option A. Application domain. Question number 43. The task of the dash is to determine with the aid of the client what the client needs. Right answer option B. System analyst. Question number 44. A dash models complex computations and algorithms. Right answer option B, control class. Question number 45. The best way to start class modeling is to use the two-stage dash method. Right answer option C, noun extraction. Question number 46. A dash models the interaction between the information systems and its actors. Right answer option A, boundary class. Question number 47. The third step in extracting the entity classes is dash. Right answer option D, dynamic modeling. Question number 48. The input to the dash is the analysis workflow artifacts. Right answer option A, design workflow. Question number 49. CRC stands for. Right answer option A, class responsibility collaboration. Question number 50 and last question. The purpose of the dash workflow is to refine the requirements. Right answer option C, analysis. Thanks for watching the video. If you like our video, please share with your friends on social media and subscribe our channel.